The ES900 has increased its heavy-duty output with the in-counter pulp container and the double feed chute for different vegetables and fruits. If necessary, it is possible to go with a soft cleaning with just a few water down the basket. Dishwashing at the end of the day is pretty easy, as you can see. You start opening the locking arm with your thumbs and taking off the caps. Then you take off the lid pretty easily and the bowl. You take off the basket and the pulp retainer. And in the end, you take off even the pulp container. And this is it. And we can place everything in the washing machine. To reassemble the ES900 is pretty easy. You start replacing the pulp container. And you go with the bowl. Pulp retainer and the basket. You close everything with the lid. And the two caps. And then you lock it with your thumbs. Voila. In the case you find this flyer with the information, and for any further information you can scan the QR code which will redirect you to download the full manual.